people will spend thousands of dollars on power cords for amplifiers and stereo equipment. The general thinking is beefier and better conductors and shorter conductors are always better for audio quality. I've certainly heard a difference in using quality speaker cables. I haven't done much experimentation with power cables, but today I'm going to be shortening the power cable from my power conditioner just so that I don't have extra cable in the loop. This thing comes with an 8-foot long cord, and I'm going to remove about 6 feet. To accomplish this, we're going to be using a Leviton hospital grade 90-degree 3-prong plug replacement. Simply pull out 3 screws and it comes apart so that it can be wired. I like that you can make the prongs face any direction you want before you tighten the set screw on the unit. Obviously, you want to unplug it from the outlet before you cut it. Inside the cable, we have a black wire, a white wire, and a green wire. I'm going to use my voltmeter set on continuity, which is the little speaker icon here, to verify exactly which wire went to which prong. The green should go to ground, and it does. So right of the ground is black, and left of the ground is white. I'll go ahead and loosen the set screws for the prongs, which opens up a gap for the bare wires to be inserted into. Just to ensure the best connection possible, I'm going to hit the connection points with contact cleaner. Strip down the outer jacket carefully. I'm cutting in on the ground side because it won't matter as much if I cut into the ground wire by accident. We want to strip about a 1/4 inch. We want as much contact as possible. Again, since I've been touching these with my fingers, I'm hitting them with contact cleaner. I'm also going to be using dielectric grease on the connections to keep them from oxidizing. People will argue about whether or not to use the stuff. Whether or not you use dielectric grease in an AC connection like this is going to come down to your beliefs and your research on the matter. We'll just connect each one of these, starting with the ground. Black, in this case, goes to the right of the ground. And that's going to be the smaller of the prongs in an American outlet. Go through and tighten everything up as much as I can. Then we just need to put this housing together in the appropriate orientation for our outlet. All right, that is together. While I have everything out, I'm going to go ahead and clean the AC prongs with contact cleaner. Route the cable where we want it, plug it in, and hope nothing goes boom. The outlet is also relatively new. I just replaced it a few months ago and added a ground wire. I did it on the outside because I didn't want to tear into this really old wall to do it. And here's the finished product. It really cleans up the rack nicely. And less cable means less electromagnetic interference. So did shortening that cable make a difference? I'm no golden ear, but to my ear, it made a difference. Specifically, the center phantom image was better, more realistic. The soundstage was a little wider. Everything had just a bit more sparkle to it. Overall, it made an already excellent sounding system sound even that much more convincing.